In this video, you are going to see how to rotate text in Microsoft Word document as you can see here. So what is the exact way? Let's get started. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. And let me write the text here. Now let me select the text box, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Outline, make it no outline, and go to Shape Fill and make it no fill color. Now use this point and you can easily rotate the text like this and keep it anywhere in your Word document. Here you can apply another methods. Now make it like the previous, select it, go to Shape Format, go to Rotate, go to More Rotation option, go to Rotation and change the angle from here. Let me write here 45 minus 45, then the text will be rotate and you can move it anywhere in your Word document. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.